Today, I'm going to show you how to make Google Drive photos public, step by step, so you can share an image with anyone using just a link. This is a really simple process, but it's important to get the sharing settings right so the photo is viewable by the right people. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign into the Google account that contains the photo you want to share. Once you're inside Drive, locate the photo you want to make public. You can browse through your files, use the search bar at the top, or open the folder where the image is stored. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct photo before you change any settings. Now, right-click the photo. When the menu appears, look for the option that says Get Link. Click that, and a sharing window will open. This is where you control who can access the file and what they can do with it. Next, look for the General Access section. By default, this may be restricted, which means only specific people can see the photo. To make it public, change the setting to Anyone with the link. This is the key step that allows other people to open the photo without needing permission from you first. After that, make sure the permission level is set to Viewer. This is important because Viewer lets people see the photo, but not edit or delete it. If you only want others to view the image, Viewer is the safest option. If the permission is set to something else, click the drop-down and switch it to Viewer. Once everything looks correct, click Copy Link. Google Drive will copy the public sharing link to your clipboard, and you can now paste it into a message, email, website, or social post. Anyone who has that link will be able to view the photo, as long as the access setting remains set to Anyone with the link. Before you send it out, it's always a good idea to double-check the sharing settings one more time. Make sure the link is public, and make sure the permission is Viewer if you only want view access. That way, you avoid accidental editing access or restricted sharing issues. And that's it. Your Google Drive photo is now public and ready to share. Super quick, super easy, and perfect for sharing images with friends, clients, or your audience. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.